Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to go ahead and do another video, and this time I have some instrumental music. It's still bass music, but it's instrumental music, and I don't know if you're familiar with musical genres. It's still bass music, but this is more like plain chant or Gregorian music. Gregorian, I'm sorry for the mispronunciation. So this is Gregorian type of music, but plain chant on top of bass music. And if you're familiar with the artist, their name is Bassotronics, and they were introduced by Bass Mechanic sometime in the mid-2000s. They're famous for that song Bass I Love You. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and play the song, Maximum Excursion. I'm not even a Christian, that's the funny part, but this music is kind of religious. I don't know if it matters to you guys or not, but I'm actually a Muslim. So in any case, I'm going to go ahead and play the track, and I'm going to go ahead and start right now. Oops, my bad.
Once you get past there from Cesar Chavez.
Sorry guys.
WW.
There we go.
Exclusion.